The Sandbox would one say one is of the greatest play to procure metaverses out there. However, as far as crypto, what is the Sandbox? We should find out what we can learn about the token and investigate a portion of the Sandbox cost forecasts that were being made starting around the 27th of September 2022 as well. The Sandbox made sense of. The Sandbox is a play-to-procure game that consolidates blockchain innovation and non-fungible tokens in a three-layered metaverse. It centers around client-created content which advances foster the stage. The game was at first known as two separate versatile hits, the Sandbox, which was sent off in 2011, and the Sandbox Development, which was sent off in 2016. Together, the two games produced around 40 million downloads across the Android and iOS stages. In 2018, the game's engineer, Pixel, established by Arthur Madrid and Sebastian Borget, was obtained by Hong Kong-based game programming organization Animoca Brands, which coordinated the well-known games into the blockchain biological system. Sand cost driven by organization and financial backer news. We should investigate the sand cost history. While past execution ought to never be taken as a mark of future outcomes, understanding what the token has done in the past can assist with giving us some significant setting with regards to either deciphering a Sandbox cost forecast or, more than likely, making one of our own. The Sandbox token's standpoint began to look significantly more certain toward the beginning of February 2021, following the Sandbox's association with digital money cost following site CoinMarketCap for the last option to deliver an NFT assortment on the metaverse. Before long, the Symbolic's cost continued to move sideways before it came to $3.22 on the 3rd of November 2021, after the metaverse reported on the 2nd of November that it had acquired $93 from SoftBank Vision Asset 2 financial backers, which would assist the stage with increasing its development procedure, activities, and player securing. By then, at that point, the Sandbox previously had north of 165 accomplices, including well-known US rapper Sneak Homeboy and popular television series The Strolling Dead and The Smurfs. The task had additionally cooperated up with Freedom City Adventures, Cosmic System Intelligent, and Adidas First. On the 25th of November 2021, the token arrived at its unsurpassed high of $8.44, a 16,387% flood since its send-off at 5 cents on the 15th of August 2020. On the 1st of December 2021, the Sandbox reported that players could buy plots close to the one where Sneak Home Slice was building his shadow, Snoopverse. This aided the Sand token to develop by only 2% from $6.58 on the 1st of December to $6.71 the next day. Following a general drop in Bitcoin and Ether costs toward the beginning of December, Sand likewise fell by 29% to $4.78 by mid-month, regardless of having protected organizations with 10 trades, as well as a Mauer NFT assortment memorializing the Berlin Wall. On the 21st of December 2021, the Metaverse's accomplice, Canadian electronic music maker deadmau5, reported the send-off of his NFT assortment on the Sandbox's commercial center, which pushed the Sand token's cost up to $6.73 on the 26th of December, an increment of 41% from its the 14th of December low. Bank of America planner Haim Israel said on the 1st of December that the metaverse could make digital currencies significantly more famous than they previously were, subsequently supporting cost focuses for some metaverse-based crypto tokens including Sand. On the 18th of January 2022, trading company J.P. Morgan Pursue concurred with BOA's bullish forecasts by distributing a report saying that the metaverse business might actually reach more than $1 TRN in yearly income. The company's report referenced the Sandbox as one of the fundamental metaverse stages. Be that as it may, the Symbolic's worth line on the outline began to decline by and by, in the midst of a general plunge in the crypto market toward the beginning of 2022 because of the chance of fixing financial strategy and international pressures. Things deteriorated in May, as the depegging of the US stablecoin and the breakdown of the related Luna crypto made the market collapse and the cost of Sand to tumble to 97 cents on the 12th of May. The crossing out of withdrawals on the Celsius crypto loaning stage in June then, at that point, affirmed the bear market, making Sand drop to 73 cents on the 18th of June. The token has battled fairly upwards from that point forward, and by the 27th of September 2022, it was worth about 87 cents. What's next for the metaverse? One silver lining for the Sand token cost was Sneak Homie's declaration on the 27th of January 2022 that he would send off a progression of Sneak Homeboy metaverse symbols on the Sandbox. Yet again, the NFTs were stamped on the 22nd of February and can possibly climb the Symbolic's cost. In later Sand news, organizations with Gucci and Ubisoft couldn't balance the generally negative gauge in the business sectors, with the Symbolic coming to $3.11 on the 22nd of February, a 35.4% drop since the 8th of February. The stage likewise collaborated with Warner Music Gathering, which will make a music-themed world in the metaverse as the stage intends to send off its most memorable virtual shows in the second from last quarter of 2022. A versatile variant of the metaverse is expected for quite a while towards the year's end. In September, news broke that the Sandbox had revealed an organization with French vehicle Goliath Renault's Korean auxiliary to permit individuals to have driving encounters in the metaverse. Big One Trade C. Andy Lyon told Capital.com that the Sandbox intensely depends on Ethereum's exhibition, making the token very unstable. Actually, I really do like the advancements of the task. Be that as it may, I would like to bring up certain plots for development. First and foremost, the undertaking depends vigorously on Ethereum's exhibition. I truly do believe what is happening. They ought to take a gander at expanding on another blockchain or even their own chain. Furthermore, their game should be sufficiently alluring to attract more clients while holding the old ones. I desire to see more game upgrade and token utility that shows up with it. The Sandbox cost forecasts. Presently, we should investigate a portion of the Sandbox cost forecasts that were being made starting around the 27th of September 2022. It is essential to take note of that cost estimates, particularly for something as unpredictable as cryptographic money, are much of the time wrong. Likewise, we want to bring up that long-haul crypto value expectations are in many cases made utilizing a calculation, and that implies that they can change whenever. In the first place, made a SAN cost forecast that said the token could close the year at a little underneath $4.28. The site then, at that point, made a Sandbox cost expectation for 2025 that saw it start the year at just shy of $17.14, before possibly moving to somewhere in the range of $18.76 and $18.77 on the 27th of September and potentially shutting the year at around $26.28. By the 27th of September 2026, the token could be valued at $28.75, before it possibly exchanges at just shy of $40.66 every year from that point. Then, made a Sandbox crypto cost forecast that said the token could exchange at $1.04 this year, $1.49 1 year from now, and $2.26 the year after that. By 2025, the site said, SAN could be worth about $3.34, getting to $4.81 in 2026. By 2027, the estimate showed that the token could be exchanging at $6.99, possibly coming to $10.36 the next year and shutting the 10 years at $14.61. The site then, at that point, proceeded to make a Sandbox cost expectation for 2030 that said it could exchange at a normal of $21.03 prior to arriving at a potential $30.26 in 2031. In the meantime, said in its Sandbox cost expectation for 2022 that the token could close the year at 90 cents. By September 2023, the site said it very well may be valued at $1.30. In 2025, it said the crypto could be valued at $3.49, prior to going on a negative go to $1.99